How are you feeling? You must be busy in giving your test, but still, we have to do something in our class. So I am to it, taking you to a new topic, that is your lesson tsunami. The tsunami is the, I hope everybody knows what is tsunami, but still I am telling you what is tsunami actually. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. So tsunami comes under the water. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit, as you already know, Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Tamil Nadu coast. So at the time of tsunami, there are many stories which are related to tsunami. So let us see what are those stories which are related, or what happened at the time of tsunami. Part 1. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Ignatius was the manager of cooperative society at Kachali. His wife woke him at 6 a.m. One of the person is telling the story. 6 बजे उसकी पत्नी ने उठाया because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off his table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. He kept his TV on the ground so that it should not break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, means the shaking stopped, they saw the sea rising. पानी ऊपर ऊपर उठ रहा था. In the chaos and confusion, इस हलचल आड़बड़ी में, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. They started running out of the house. He never saw them again. पानी में चले गए, उसके बाद कभी उसे दिखाई नहीं दिए. His wife was also swept away. Wife also died in that strong wave. Only 3 other children who came with him were saved. फिर उसके साथ 3 बच्चे थे, वही बच पाए. There is one more story in this lesson, children. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachli Island at the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. उसे अपने खाना बनाने वाले की मदद की आवाज़ आई. Sanjeev jumped into the water to save her, but they were both swept away. उस नौकरानी को बचाने, खाना बनाने वाले को बचाने के लिए कूदा, दोनों बह गए. 13-year-old Meghna is another story of Meghna, was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. एक दरवाज़ा लकड़ी का बह रहा था, उसके ऊपर तैर के वो कुछ दिन बची रही. 11 times she saw relief helicopter, राहत और बचाव के हेलीकॉप्टर कई बार उसे कम से कम 11 बार दिखे, पर उन्होंने उसे नहीं देखा. शी वॉज ब्रॉट टू द शोर बाय अ वेव. अचानक एक लहर आई, उसे किनारे फेंक दी. एंड वॉज फाउंड वॉकिंग ऑन द सी शोर इन अ डेज. और वो बिल्कुल थकी हुई सी किनारे आके चलने लगी. अलमास जावेद वॉज 10-year-old. शी वॉज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ कैरमल कॉन्वेंट इन द पोर्ट ब्लेयर, वेयर हर फादर हैड ए पेट्रोल पम्प. द स्टोरी ऑफ अलमास जावेद. Her mother, Raila's home was in Nokovri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. वो लोग वहाँ क्रिसमस मनाने गए हुए थे, अलमास और उसकी फैमिली. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Almas' father saw the sea water recede. अलमास के पिता ने देखा पानी थोड़ा नीचे आ रहा है. He understood that the water would come rushing back. उसने कहा अभी तो नीचे जा रहा है, उसे पता था तेज़ी से ऊपर आएगा. He woke everyone and tried to rush them to the safer place. उसे सबको जगाया और सेफ जगह में जाने को कहा. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something. जैसे ही वो भाग रहे थे, दादाजी के सिर पे कुछ लगा, and he fell down. His father rushed to help him. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them. जब वो पिता को बचा रहे थे, उसी समय एक लहर आई और दोनों को भाग के ले गई. Almas' mother and aunt stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. नारियल के पत्तों को पकड़ के वो आवाज़ लगाते रहे. A wave uprooted the tree. इतने में पेड़ को जड़ से पानी ने उखाड़ा. And they were also washed away. Almas saw a log of wood floating. उसने एक लकड़ी का फट्टा बहते हुए देखा. She climbed onto it She climbed on it and then she fainted. She lost her consciousness. When she woke up, she was in hospital in Kamorta, from where she was brought to Port Blair. She was admitted in the hospital, then she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is so scared and that she does not want to share this incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. She is shocked and distressed. She is in a complete shock. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at the beach. समुद्र के किनारे वो लोग क्रिसमस मना रहे थे इन सदर्न थाईलैंड, दक्षिणी थाईलैंड में. Tilly Smith was 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. This is a complete family. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. खतरनाक सुनामी की लहरें ऑलरेडी आ चुकी थी. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake. उसी बीच एक अर्थक्वेक भी आया of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. उस दिन वहाँ नदरन सुमात्रा में भूकंप भी आया. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. Penny को याद है कि पानी अंदर बाहर आ रहा था with lot of speed. The beach was getting smaller. बीच छोटा ही होता जा रहा था because it was all covered with water. I did not know what was happening. Smith could not understand कि क्या हो रहा है. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Tilly को लगा कुछ गलत तो ज़रूर है. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson. See children, we can sometimes relate our classroom teaching with such kind of incidents. उसको अपना ज्योग्राफी का एक लेसन याद आ रहा है जो मैडम ने पढ़ाया था. शी हैड टेकन इन इंग्लैंड जस्ट 2 weeks बिफोर. 2 हफ्ते पहले इंग्लैंड में उसकी टीचर ने बताया था. शी फ्लू आउट टू थाईलैंड विद हर फैमिली. टिली सॉ द सी स्लोली राइज. देखा पानी ऊपर आ रहा है धीरे धीरे. एंड स्टार्ट टू फॉर्म बबल एंड फॉर्म वर्ब. उसमें लहरें आ रही, फिर उसमें बुलबुले उठ रहे हैं और भंवर आ रहे हैं. शी रिमेंबर दैट शी हैड सीन दिस इन द क्लास वीडियो सुनामी. उसको याद आया मैडम ने उसे कुछ सुनामी का वीडियो दिखाया था इन द क्लास that had hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. Madam showed her a video of 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquake, volcano and landslide. So there are 3 reasons of tsunami. Children, earthquake, volcano, ज्वार भाटा, भूकंप और लैंडस्लाइड्स. Tilly started to scream to her family to get off the beach. उन्होंने कहा बीच से हटने को उसने अपनी फैमिली को आवाज़ लगाई. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. उसने कहा पानी के बीच में भूकंप आ रहा है. She got more and more hysterical. वो पागल सी हो रही थी. Said her mother Penny. I did not know what a tsunami was. उसको नहीं पता था सुनामी क्या है. But seeing my daughter so frightened, इस लड़की को इतना डरा देखकर mother thought something was really very serious. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach. दोनों टिली के माँ बाप उसकी बहन को और खुद वहाँ से बीच से निकल आए स्विमिंग पूल की तरफ होटल में. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. उनको देख के और भी बीच से लोग निकल आए. Then it was if the entire sea had come out after. ऐसा लगा कि पूरा समुद्र उनके पीछे पीछे आने लगा. I was screaming run. मैंने जोर से चिल्लाई भागो भागो. The family took shelter in the 3rd floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. 3 बार लहरें आई उस होटल में बिल्डिंग पर. If they had stayed on the beach, अगर वो बीच पर होते, they would not have been alive. Because they were on the 3rd floor. They were saved in the hotel, but if they had been on the beach, they would have not have been alive. The Smith later met other tourists who had lost entire family. वहाँ स्मिथ को और परिवार मिले जिनका पूरा परिवार बह चुका था. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson that had been forewarned, they got the warning earlier due to Tilly and her geography lesson. Tilly went back to a school in England and told classmates about this She went back to school and told this deadly story to the children. What happened at that place where tsunami came. Before this giant waves of tsunami slammed into the coast of India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. जब वो तूफान आया तो जानवरों को शायद पता था कि क्या हो रहा है. They fled to safety. वो सुरक्षा की तरफ भागे. According to eyewitness accounts, according to the eyewitness, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. जानवरों को शायद बच्चों पता चल जाता है कुछ खतरा आने वाला हो तो हाथी ऊपर की तरफ भागे. Dog refused to go outdoor. Dogs, they did not want to go outdoor today because they knew about this natural disaster. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. Flamingo ने नीचे की ज़मीन छोड़ दी. And zoo animals rushed to their shelter and could not be enticed to come back. वो बाहर नहीं आना चाहते थे. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. ज़्यादातर लोगों का मानना है कि जानवरों के पास एक छठी सेंस होती है एंड नो व्हेन द अर्थ इज़ गोइंग टू शेक, उन्हें पता होता है धरती हिलने कब वाली है. सम एक्सपर्ट्स बिलीव दैट एनिमल्स वर मोर एक्यूट हियरिंग सम ऑफ देम टू हियर टू फील द अर्थ वर्क, कि जानवरों को शायद कि सुनने की शक्ति बहुत तेज़ होती है. दे कैन ईजिली हियर एंड फील द अर्थ वाइब्रेशन. दे कैन सेंस एन अप्रोचिंग डिजास्टर. दे कैन ईजिली सेंस दैट सम डेंजर इज़ कमिंग लॉन्ग बिफोर ह्यूमन्स रियलाइज. आदमी को पता लगने से पहले जानवरों को पहले ही मालूम चल जाता है खतरे का. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी कैनॉट बी श्योर वेदर एनिमल्स हैव अ सिक्स्थ सेंस और नॉट, बट द फैक्ट इज़ दैट द जाइंट वेव्स दैट रोल्ड थ्रू द इंडियन ओशन, उस दिन जो हिंद महासागर में तूफान आया, इट किल्ड मोर देन 1,50,000 पीपल इन अ डजन कंट्री, बट नॉट मैनी एनिमल्स हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड डेड. तो जानवर ज़्यादा नहीं मरे. दिस इज समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेंज. अलॉन्ग इंडियाज कुडोलोर कोस्ट वेयर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल पेरिश्ड, where thousands of people were buried and buffaloes, goats and dogs were also were not harmed. जहाँ इतने लोग मरे वहाँ भैंस, गाय, बकरी, कुत्ते, किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ. द याला नेशनल पार्क इन श्रीलंका is home to a variety of animals. Lot of animals are kept there, including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from Patangla beach inside the park. पार्क में 60 visitors थे, वो तो बह गए. But no animal carcasses were found, but no dead animal body was found except for 2 water buffalo. केवल इतने, in this disaster only 2 buffaloes were found dead. About an hour before the tsunami hit, tsunami आने से 1 घंटा पहले, people of Yala National Park had observed 3 elephants running away from Patangla beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galley said his 2 dogs would not go for the daily run on the beach. The gentleman said that day he had dogs, they did not want to go to the beach. They are usually excited, usually they want to go, but that day did not want to go. But on that they refused to go and most probably saved his life. और उस दिन उन्होंने उसको भी बचा लिया, because when they did not go to the beach, Galley also did not go to the beach, so he was also saved from this tsunami. So this is the lesson, tsunami, children. Now you very well know what is tsunami, what is the loss which we have to face at the time of tsunami, what happens to the animals, and what human beings have to face at the time of tsunami. So tsunami is a earthquake which comes in the water, that you know very well. Now the exercise and question answers. Question answers I will send a picture to you, then you can easily do the question answers. I am just now sending them to you. Please read the lesson again and try to understand it. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.